Alright, today we're going to install the Clear Token vending system on the Speed Queen washer extractor. Simply open up our lid here. And here we've got the Clear Token vending device. We're simply going to put it in line with our 25-cent coin drop. We do have the dollar token vendor here as well, but we don't need that. Disconnect that. Just the alarm on the machine. There we go. And it is installed. Just that simple. And also comes with a little sticker that we will adhere or affix to the machine to identify which machine this is. Now we will open up the Clear Token application. Look for our identifier, the VE093. Oh, it's right here. We'll select that. We need to vend $2, so that's going to be 8 quarters. We can see the incrementing coin right there. We can select pay. And there we are. It says we need to close our door. There it is, and it's ready to go.